So, dear student, now I come to the environment conservation and protection. How to conserve it? First, I said you in the last video I have discussed that one, that air conservation, how to conserve your environment, how to save the environment. There we said it that air conservation is there. Next is water conservation. We can find from the industry and all a lot of wastage are coming out and are being stored. So this is what we find it, that water also needed to be conserved. Okay, so water conservation is to be done. It should be purified. The waste material what is coming out from the different industries, that should be reused, and that should be used for the other purpose. It should be purified. All the other things, now we are seeing many water purifying plantation in the different big industries they has put up, and those the wastage water coming out, with the wastage they are making some other product that can be used and that can be help the environment. Okay, land conservation. Land conservation means reuse. There are four R's are there. What is refuse, reduce, reuse, and recycle, and upcycle. Okay, so all these things should be there. That means land. Suppose the land is not giving a proper pattern of crop, so the farmer sold that land. That should not be okay. That should be stopped. So it is a very harmful thing. It is harmful for our health as well as for our work also. So everywhere we, for our living also, it is very harmful to us. So what should we do? Those the land which are not giving the any pattern of crop at this moment, what there should be manure to be used. What pattern of manure? Not the manure what we find, or the fertilizer that we find is a product of an industry. It should be the manure of the cows and all that to be used. Different type of herbal manures are there that can be used, isn't it? So using those seed, it may be fertile, and again it should be reused for this. No wastage of the weight wastage, medical wastage, then the dry waste product should not be dumped in any of the uh, land area and make that land unproductive, and make that land unfertile. Okay, so this way you have to conserve the land. Energy also to be conserved. Nowadays we are very cautious about this energy conservation, because solar energy we are using, wind energy you have can use, solar energy you can use to conserve the electricity. Hydroelectric we are using hydroelectric, but if you use the solar energy, then wave energy, then wind energy, those who are staying by the near sea, from there the what wave energy can be used, then wind energy can be taken from there, isn't it? So this can be used for your fans, lights, your study purpose, TV, computer, everything. All the electronic gadgets, you can use it. Now green economy, it is very important. Green economy means when you are finding that Collins English dictionary, that there it is said that it is a composed of an economical factor. That means your economy also should rise, and everywhere greenery should be there, isn't it? So according to UNEP means United Nations Environmental Program. Yeah, according to that particular program, what it is said that income should be there, income of the people should be there, and what another thing is there, the product should be what very useful for our us, as well as what are the wastage coming out that should be useful for the land. So how it is that using of the plastic bags, isn't it? Using any plastic product, the thing should be given in such a product which the product can be easily come with the touch of the soil, and it can be abolished there only. That means it can be used as a fertilizer there, like we are using the vegetables, so the vegetable wastage can be used for the fertilizer. So these are the things, this pattern of things what we find it, that in a green economy, green growth, the economy should be in that way. Green economy means economy should be in that way where it will going to use, or it will going to help the people to earning the money, as well as conserving our greenness in the world, isn't it? So employment is one of the very big factors. See, here are the some sites are given. You can use those sites, and you know about them, that how you can help the society, how you can make the society useful for the green economical factors. See here the structured green skill, the sustainable skill, non-sustainable development, how they are being developed and how they are being utilized. Okay, so this is a structural phenomena. In your book also